Hey brother, welcome to this Making of a Nice Guy series. If you haven't read the book, No More Mr. Nice Guy yet, I highly recommend that you do. There'll be a link in the description where you can go get either the Audible, the Kindle, the print version of the book. I have them all. I've carried this book all around the world with me. I've written in the margins and spilled coffee on it and dog-eared the pages and put tabs on it and underlined things. I've been able to get insights about myself that have transformed my life. So in this series, what I want to do is share with you some thoughts about fear and shame and scarcity and lack and not understanding our value and not understanding our worth and not really truly appreciating, respecting, or loving ourselves, and how our formative years, how our childhood years, how events in our life have help to shape the nice guy part of us, the part that says I need to please other people, that it's not okay for me to have desires, that somehow deep down I'm bad, I'm not good, and I'm not valuable, and I'm not worthy. And we're going to talk about how we look outside of ourselves for that value and how it affects our relationships and leaves us needy and makes the other person doubt themselves and pull away. There's going to be some stories that you're going to resonate with. There's going to be some stories that you're not going to be able to relate with, but it doesn't matter because you have your own stories. I want you to be transformed by this series. I want you to start asking yourself, is that true? And does it serve me? And do I want to believe this? Who am I? Where do I want to go? What do I want to experience? Who do I want to spend my time with? You get to make choices for yourself, but it's not until we become aware of our self-limiting beliefs and how those beliefs have affected our feelings, our behavior, and our results in our life. And once we become aware of those things, I can guarantee you, brother, your whole life begins to change. So this is what I want to share with you. These are going to be a series of my stories. I'm going to make invitations for you to tell me your story. And out of this series, you will be transformed. You will start to think differently. And as you read through No More Mr. Nice Guy, even if you've read it before, I highly recommend that you read it again. I want you to leave notes under each one of the video, things that stand out to you, your own story, your own memories. I want you to ask questions and engage. I want you to be able to relate and walk and talk with each other for a while. I want you to be able to get some clarity about the questions that you have for yourself, some of the things that have been plaguing you and bugging you maybe your entire life. So this series is going to be about 25 or so videos, at least at the time of this recording. It may be more by the time you watch this, but each one of the videos is going to be worthwhile. So I highly encourage you to jump around if you need to. Watch each video separately, but I also highly recommend that you watch the entire series. And as I said before, read No More Mr. Nice Guy and ask your questions. All right, brother, let's go ahead and jump into the first video. Thanks for being here. I look forward to spending some time with you. Talk to you soon.